In this lecture, we are going to learn about very important thing in AngularJS, sharing data between controllers. In one application, you can have many controllers, and sometimes you want to share data between these controllers, and we will see how we are going to do that in AngularJS. First, we will go to the app.js and create two controllers inside of this app. I'll name first controller as controller1, and I'll create another controller as controller2, and in that both the controllers I'm going to assign in the front end. This div area for a controller1, and I'll assign another div area in that's controller2 div area. I'll create two variables inside of this controller. This dot I'll use a variable as name, and I'll assign as controller1, and same variable this dot name controller2, and I'm going to show it in the controllers. We have displayed controller1 and controller2 names, and controller2 name didn't appear. This dot name app dot controller2 function, this dot name contour controller2. Oops, I have put that controller name in the wrong place. I have to put inside of the controller, right? Yes, I can see controller1 and controller2 appears as others variable with the same name, but two assigned strings. And now we will see how we assign a common variable to both these variables. I am going to create a service for share the variable app.service, and I'm going to use a shared service as shared service, and I'm going to equal a variable called shared service, and that shared service is equal to this service, and shared service is having a variable called name. I'm going to assign for that name as shared service name, and now I want to use this shared service inside of this controller. I'm going to import that these shared services is, and I'm going to equal this shared service variable into controller name. Yes, you can see it equals, and I'm going to import that shared service into the controller 2 also. Shared service dot name. Yes, you saw how the variable is shared between two controllers. And what do you think? Do you think you can change the service name inside of the controller? Do you think is it happening or not? We will check. We will change this shared service that name into, I'll change name as controller 1 service, and we'll see is it working. Yes, did you see it affects to the, I have changed that controller 1 inside of the controller 1 that shared service name, and it affects to the controller 2 shared service name. And I think you got the main idea that how we're going to share the variables between two controllers. And yeah, it's very simple to do using app service.